Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. And after a very long time, I'm posting another video. Uh, I received this card from my customer, and this is a card of Soul, I guess F85 or F60. And the problem with this one is that initially it was giving the E6 error, and I'll just diagnose the things. I will show you, and after that, when I just cleared that problem, so it starts showing the E1 error. Okay, so let me tell you that E6 and E7 in the maximum of the treadmill that are made DC by any of the Chinese company, or you can say about the uh, spirit machines that are made in USA. Okay, so maximum machines have E6 E7 error that belongs to the incline. Okay, this is the incline machine, and see it has you can see the black, the white, and this red. This white is used as a common, the red is used for the up incline, and the black is used for the down. And there is another pin that is used for the feedback sensor, the pot. Okay, so whenever our machine starts, it will sense that either there is incline or not. I mean, I have a healthy incline or not. So for that purpose, if it is in the mid position, it will just come to the initial position, and some of the machine, while this starts, they just move their incline up and down to just test that my incline is working or not. So whenever the incline is moving and it will receive no value from here, then it will show you E6. Okay, and whenever there is some mechanism, when there is some problem in the relay side, and the command is not going to the motor of the incline, or either there is some winding issue, the motor will not move, then there will be no change in the resistance. It will also show E6 or 7. Okay, so that was the main problem here. So for that purpose, what we start, see, this is a card, the 12 pin card. Okay, and every pin here, it is defined. So in this kind of 12 pin, when you just give the power, and you just short this VCC with the up and down, so normally what happens, this relay will be energized and your incline will be moving. So in my case, what happened, that I was just doing this and nothing was happening. So what happened, I just tested all these components. Okay, and all of these components seems to be healthy, seems to be okay. Okay, but what happened, that I just checked, there is a switching transistor here that switch the relays. So the problem with the transistor is you cannot check them 100% okay on the circuit. At some time you have to take them out, and you have to check their legs about the readings. Okay, so these both transistors were showing the equal reading when they were soldered here, but when I just take them out, now let me show you that what they are showing. Okay, so here is our multimeter. We'll just put the multimeter to the diode section. Okay, now I'm getting this one, and you see here it is showing 1.4. that is not a diode reading, and remaining all points, it is giving you nothing. Okay, for the same transistor, that is okay. Let me check with the same. It is showing the diode reading here, it is showing diode reading here, and on all other things it is showing nothing. Okay, so for that purpose, this is my one okay transistor. I'm coming to the second one. Let me check this one. This is my one OK, my second OK, and I'm just placing them. So now let's do it. We'll put the transistor back to the position and we'll see that what happens. See here. Now I'm just putting this transistor. Stop the. Now I just put these two transistors back here, and as I told you initially, you can see here I am checking this one. See, this one is moving. Okay, incline is moving. This is the short method if you don't have a display while repairing the system, and this is only for this kind of cards that have 12 pins. Okay, now coming here. Okay, so now here we just solved our first problem that we are facing here, and now it's working okay, alhamdulillah. Okay, now when I did that one, after that, when I was just you can say testing the machine, so when I just powered up the machine, what I saw that my output was not coming. Okay, so I tested all these things, all these equipments. Okay, but I found nothing faulty here. Okay, while you are repairing for this kind of cards, just keep in mind that these dip components, you can see these dip components, there are very less chances that they will get faulty. Okay, and in this case we have a hybrid here. There is a small PCB inside that has a very SMD components, SMD resistance, SMD ICs. Okay, so what I did there, I just taken that out. I just checked all the things were there. Okay, but still what I did, I just resoldered the components. I taken out the IC, put it back. Sometimes there is a carbon, there is a rusting, that's why the problem seems to be created. Okay, so right now this card is now repaired, so let me just check it for you. And the beauty of this 12 pin card is that you can also test them with any of the display that has a 12 pin. Okay, now I'm checking this one, and for if you have any issues in this kind of cards, just feel free to contact me. Now I'm checking this one. If you can see here, there is this one is a display. Now the incline is moving. Incline is going to its initial position. Okay, Now you'll see here what I did, I made the wrong connections. That's why it will again show you the error 2 here. If you can see, the error 2 will come here, okay? Because the incline is continuous moving. What happened here, I just connected the wrong sides. On the upside I connected the black one, and on the downside I connected the red one. So since the rotation is what you can say different, that's why it was showing you the error. Now I'm just putting the right cables back. These are some small things. When you are on the field, you are new one on the field, you will feel these kind of issues, and you will be, you know, becoming very nervous that what is happening here. So right now what is happening, now it will again go for the lowest incline. Now it is going for the initial position. See, you can see the LED here. Also you can see the screen. The screen is a bit light. Now it is sensing the initial incline. Now see, no error occurs here.